Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're making a treat that I think even you could make.
Ooh, what is that, Heather?
I like to call it a pear-fect treat.
And why is it?
perfect.
Oh, and it's got pears in it.
Pears. Do you like pears?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
They're pretty good.
Yeah.
I think they're pretty good, and most people like them. If you don't, you could also use peaches,
Oh.
but I like pears, and today that's what we're going to use. This is
Okay.
really easy
Yeah.
and quick, and anyone can make it, even
Anyone.
you.
Oh, even
You.
me?
Even you.
What about them?
They could do it too.
Okay, yeah. Good.
So I take this pretty glass. It's
Okay.
a sundae glass.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, why not be a little fancy?
Yeah.
And I'm going to layer these things like
Okay.
a parfait.
Oh, what is a parfait?
Well, think about like a hot fudge parfait or a fruit parfait, where you have a layer of fruit, a layer of yogurt, and then something crunchy on top.
So lots of things.
Lots of
Okay,
things.
in a parfait. Okay.
In a parfait, yes,
Yeah.
yes. So today I'm going to put some pears in the bottom. Really nice.
Yeah. Look at those.
Yeah. And then I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla yogurt.
Oh, yeah.
Do you like vanilla yogurt?
Yeah. I've tried it before.
You have.
It's good. Yeah.
So this is just kind of layers.
Okay.
There's no wrong way to do this.
So what if I put the yogurt in first?
You could put the yogurt in
Okay,
first, and
okay.
you could put in the pears.
Okay.
And then put a little sprinkle of granola. I love granola.
Yeah.
It's good for you. There's so many different kinds that you can get. I
Yeah.
made this myself.
You did, Heather?
I did.
You are so talented.
Thank you, Felix.
Yeah. You're welcome.
So that's our first layer.
Okay.
And now I'm going to put in some more pears.
Yeah. It's a perfect treat.
It is. And I'm going to put a little bit more vanilla yogurt.
Okay. Oh wow! Look
Yeah.
at that! Yeah. It looks like when you dig into the ground and you see all the layers in the ground.
It does.
Yeah.
Like archaeology.
Yeah.
Like
yeah,
kitchen archaeology.
yeah.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Look what we did.
Heather is so smart.
Thanks.
Always thinking. Yeah.
And now I'm just going to sprinkle a little granola on the top.
Okay.
If you want more, then use more.
Okay. Can you use other things besides granola?
You can.
Okay.
You can use your favorite dry cereal. You can maybe crunch it up a little bit if it's bigger, whatever you have.
Okay.
I like granola because it has oats, and you can put nuts and dried fruits. You could also sprinkle this with some raisins if you want. It's up to you.
I love raisins.
And that's it. Look at that.
It's done?
It's done. And look,
Look at that.
I have an umbrella
Oh.
just to be fun.
Heather always puts the umbrella in for fun, and I love the umbrella.
It's a nice little touch, I think.
Yeah. It's fancy.
It is.
Yeah.
And it was easy, and we
Yeah.
did it together.
Yeah. Feather. Yeah.